Hi, it's Kat here from Herding Cats Digital, Digital Marketing Made Easy. Welcome to the 10-minute masterclass, your weekly injection of useful tips to help you master your digital marketing. Went through this morning and showed you how to create your list within Mailchimp. So we're now going to look at how you create the automatic email that delivers the download that your subscribers have asked for. So to do that, we're in Mailchimp. We're going to create a campaign, create an email. We want to go into automated, welcome new subscribers. This is the welcome message that's going out to guide to starting your email list. And this is now going to take us into the lovely Mailchimp design program. Okay, so this is you're now in the automation sector. Okay, so first thing we want to do is edit the trigger. We don't want to keep people waiting. We want them to get it immediately. So updated the trigger from 1 day to immediately. Update that. And then what we want to do is design the email. Okay. So this is the internal. So in part of you, clearly label this. Welcome email to guide to starting your email list, so that when I'm going back to look for it at any point, I know exactly what I'm looking for. Guide to starting the email list, and that's only for internal, so it's just something that you recognise. Email subject, this is what the subscriber will see. So in here, you want to put something that is, it's here, you'll be creating this in no time. The preview text, if you want to put that in, it's got the business name or the name that it's from, Digital Marketing Made Easy, and then Herding Cats Digital. And then we go into the next screen. So you can see Mailchimp and a lot of the email providers do give you basic templates. And now, top tip for you here, I prefer to use simple text simply because it's easier for them to get past all the spam alerts and junk folder settings that people have on their inboxes. So I always go for simple text and then work it from there. So I'm going to add an image. I want my logo at the top so people recognize it from what they've seen online. This is all about recognition and people seeing your branding again and again and keeping it familiar. So in here, we want to put something. Oops. Your goodies have arrived. Oops. Simply click to download. Arrows. And then what I want to do in here is add a button. Okay, so this is where the download is going to sit so that people can click the button and then download it. You can do it in a number of ways. You can add it into the text and have it as just a straightforward link. I like to use the buy now button because it just kind of prompts people to get on and do it. You would be amazed how many people subscribe for things and then never actually do anything with it. So I want the PDF that I created to be uploaded into Mailchimp, which it will do. And it's created a link file for me. And I want to change the style of that box. Again, using colours from the brand that people will recognise. It goes a long way to building trust as well. If they see your brand more often, they'll recognise it. Okay. So we've done that. I then want to make the box, the text within the box bigger. Let's take it up to 30. I don't want it to say buy now because I'm not expecting people to buy it, but what I do want is people to download the goods. Okay, so that's created the file that people will download, and then you want to personalize the email a little bit. So this is your easy guide to creating email lists. Inside these pages, you will find lots of useful tips and advice on how to start creating and building your email subscribers. So throughout the book, there are lots of useful resources, as well as video tutorials. That's what we do, tutorials. You can view all of our tutorials over on our YouTube channel. Search digital marketing made easy, and I can make that into a clickable link as well. That's on YouTube one. I can make that into a clickable link as well, so that it's easy for people. So the next thing I want to do is just we have a fabulous group on Facebook, and digital marketing made easy. And easy is to jump on board and let us know how you get on. Keep an eye out for all the latest updates on our social media channels, on our social media channels. Okay, so let's correct these spelling mistakes. So, and then we just want to sign off. Easy. Okay, so that is the basic email that has been created. So what I want to do now is I want to go into preview mode, because I want to have a look at what page looks like. So if I can, your goods have arrived, simply click download the goods. This is your easy guide to create an email list. Inside these pages, you will find lots of useful tips and advice on how to start creating and building your email subscribers. Throughout the book, there are lots of useful resources, as video tutorials. You can view all our tutorials over on our YouTube channel. Just search digital marketing made easy. Okay, so that's fantastic. That says exactly what it does on the tin. And then what we want to do is send a test email. And just to make sure. Also in preview mode, you can see what it looks like on mobile. And you'll see here why I've added the download button right to the top. Because when you look on mobile, it's the first thing they see. Even if they don't read the rest of it, they can still access the goods. Okay, so that's just landed in my inbox. So let's jump over and have a look at that. So we can see that that's landed. We click download the goods. And you can see there that they have downloaded the guide to starting your email list. Okay, so that should be everything that you need to know. All you need to do as far as your template is concerned is save and continue, and then it will ask you, it will double check that it's got everything in place that it needs. So you're back to the automation screen. Immediately after subscribe, yeah, done that. Next. So yeah, got everything that we need to do. Start workflow. Okay. So hopefully that was fairly straightforward. If you go back to the campaign section now, you can see right at the top you've got the welcome message and guide to starting your email list. So that's it, another tutorial over and done with. I do hope that you've found that really useful. Don't forget, if you do want to download the ebook, jump onto herdingcatsdigital.com and it will be there. And I look forward to seeing you next time. Keep it easy.